Good morning, myself Shiny. Today I am going to explain on the topic resistors are connected in series. Three resistors are connected in series. Consider a resistors. Three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected across a cell or a battery. Connected across a battery. What is resistor? What is resistance? What do you mean by resistance? Last class we discussed the property of a conductor to opposes the flow of current. To opposes the flow of current. Then we know that resistance R is equal to V by I. Resistance R equal to V by I. Here is three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected across a cell. Current I flowing through this resistance R1, R2 and R3. Potential difference V across the resistance. Then we know that total voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Total voltage V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Then we know that by using Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Similarly, V1 is equal to IR1. V2 is equal to IR3. IR2. Next, V3 is equal to IR3. This is our equation, first equation. This is second equation, third, fourth and fifth. Substitute equation 2, 3, 4 and 5 in equation 1. We can substitute. Instead of V, what you have to write? IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Which term is common term? I is common term. We can take outside. Then IR is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. I is cancelled. Then we get R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then this three resistors are connected in series. Then instead of this R we can use series S, RS. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is three resistors are connected in series. When two resistors are connected in series means RS is equal to R1 plus R2. Only two. Then four resistors are connected in series means RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. We can write like this. Then what are the features? This is our final equation. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. What are the features of this resistors are connected in series? What are the features? First feature is RS. Resistors are connected in series. Total resistance RS is equal to, this is the sum of individual resistance. This is the sum of individual resistance R1 plus R2 plus R2. Okay, that's the first features. Then the current flowing through each resistor is same. Current passed through this each resistor is same. Here is 2 ampere current means here also 2 ampere current, here also 2 ampere current. It's the same. Okay. Then voltage, total voltage is the sum of individual voltage. That's the third feature. First feature, total resistance is the sum of many electrical appliances. Refrigerator we are using, TV we are using, mixie we are using. Then that current, that voltage is different. Here current flowing through each resistor is same. Then each instrument, each device having different voltage, different current. Then it cannot work properly. That's a one limitation, one disadvantage. Second disadvantage is this is connected in series. Okay. For example, this one wire again same connected with another wire, again connected with another wire. Then one device here connected with one device. Mixie or refrigerator, whatever it is. Here also another device. Here also another device. Then one side is damaged, one side is fused. Then what happened? Other instrument also it cannot work. Other device also it cannot work. That's the second limitation. That's why in home, that means electrical appliance, domestic circuit, we are not using the series combination. We are using that parallel combination. These are the disadvantages. Two disadvantages. First one is current is same. Then each device need different current. Then it cannot work properly. Second one